Okay, hello guys, welcome back to algebra class. So today here we're gonna go over this homework, okay? Just like before, I'm gonna go over questions on the left, you're gonna do questions on the right side, alright? So here we go. Let's look at the first question. So we are gonna solve these questions by elimination. You have a choice. Either you can multiply here by 2 and here by 5, like choosing one of them negative and solve it, or just match with y, because it's obvious that if you multiply by 3 it's gonna be 12 and it's gonna be matching here, right? So it does not matter which method you use, it's gonna work. Just remember, it should be opposite sign. For me, because I do not want to work twice, I will just multiply this by -3. So let's do this. -3 times 2x, you get, before I do that, let me copy down the first one, okay, which is 5x plus 12y equals -34. And here, let's multiply. -3 times 2x, you get -6x. -3 times 4y is -12y equals -3 times -12, you get positive 36, right? Let's combine them. So 5 minus 6, you get -x. 12y minus 12y, it cancels out, equals -34 plus 36, you get positive 2. Simple. Divide by -1 both sides, you will get x equals -2. Right? Next, what we have to do is, you're gonna choose one of these two and plug this number in to find y value. So, which one should we use? Doesn't matter. I'm gonna use second one because it looks simpler to me. You can use first one if you want to. You'll get same answer. So instead of x now, I'm gonna use -2. In case you don't know where I got this -2 from, I got it from here because it's x, okay? Plus 4y equals -12. 2 times -2 is -4. Plus 4, you get 4y equals -8. Divide by 4 both sides, you get y equals -2. So answer is gonna be -2 comma -2. So try question on the right by yourself. This one is, by the way, just first one is -3x and second one is just x, right? So if I were you, I would just multiply by 3 because this one is already a negative number, so you can just multiply this one by a positive number. That's gonna give you answers, okay? Alright, let me try this one. Oh, this one is interesting. So, do you see it has x, y here, but this one, x is on the other side. So before I start, I will just move this one to the other side. So, it's gonna be, let me copy down first one. Second one is gonna be what? 2x plus y equals -1. Okay? Now, what should we do to match that up? Here, let me multiply by -7, okay? So let me copy down the first one. Second one, -14x, -7y equals +7. So let's combine that, okay? 14x minus 14x will become 0. 7y minus 7y is become 0. -7 plus 7 is 0. 0 equals 0. Mathematically correct, right? So this is not no solution. This is what we call infinite solution. And if you actually put this one into a graphing calculator, like if you graph it, you're gonna see like line overlapping each other. All right? All right, let's do the last question here. Oh, this one. Oh, okay, what should I do? So x is on the one side and y is on the other side. You know what? Let's do this. This one I'm gonna move. So you just wanna have x and y equal something, right? So here I'm gonna put plus 5y both side. So first one is gonna be 5x plus 5y equals 15, right? Now for the second one, if you look at it, it has 26 and y here, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do minus 8y both side. Okay, so I will have I'll just write down just in case. I'm gonna have 26 equals 2x minus 8y, right? But still this one looks ugly, so I'm gonna switch this one. So what I mean is you're gonna have 2x minus 8y equals 26. Okay, now we can do something. So what should we multiply? There I don't have anything in common, so just let's go as traditional. On the top I'm gonna multiply by 2, in the bottom I'm gonna multiply by 5. Just in case where I got this number, 5 I got from here, 2 I got from there. Okay, just they should be opposite signs, so you can just put negative here or here, it does not matter. I'm gonna put it on the top. Okay, let's do this. Negative 2 times 5x, you get negative 10x. Negative 2 times 5y, you get negative 10y. Equals negative 2 times 15, you get negative 30. 5 times 2x, you get 10x. 5 times negative 8y minus 40y equals 5 times 26. It's gonna be 130. Okay, let's combine that. Negative 10x plus 10x disappears. Negative 10 minus 40, you get negative 40y. Negative 30, wait. Am I doing it right? Just let me think. Yeah, I did it right. I didn't do anything wrong, so yeah, I'm right. This one is gonna be 100. Whew. If you divide by negative 40 both sides, you get y equals negative 5 over 2 if you actually simplify. Okay, right, so at this point what I'm gonna do is I will choose one of these two on the top and plug this y and find the answer. Now since y is negative 5 over 2, like denominator is 2, I'm gonna choose I mean, it does not matter which one you choose, you get that same answer, but I'm gonna choose this because I know this one is gonna be easier. But if you don't know, it's okay. You will have the technique later when you keep practicing. So instead of y, I'm gonna put negative 5 over 2 plus 26. I mean, it's not gonna be matter because you can always use this scientific calculator here, right? But Mr. Kim doesn't need one, so I'm not gonna use it. Okay, so negative 20, just you can use calculator for this part, that's fine, plus 26 equals 2x. Where did I get the 28 from? I'm sorry. Alright, negative 20 plus 26 is positive 6 equals 2x, which if you divide by 2 both sides, you'll get x equals 3. So answer is gonna be what? 3 comma negative 5 over 2. That's gonna be it. Make sure to try questions on the right by yourself. Okay, all right. Now this is why I decided to make this video, because of this word problem. So let's get to this. Melanie bought 1.5 pound of gummy bears and 0.6 pound of jelly beans. So there's two unknown things. number of gummy bears and it's price of gummy bears and price of jelly beans. So for this one, I'm gonna put X, and for this one, I'm gonna put Y. Okay, so and she paid how much? 10.26. So 1.8x plus 0.6y is equal to 10.26. Now she went back to store the following week and bought another 12 pint of gummy bear. So no, 1.25. So 1.2x plus 1.5 jelly bean equals what? And she paid $15.09. So what is the price per pound of each type of candy? So what you have to do is you can just put this one into graphing calculator in decimals and find X and Y. Okay, so this will be on your test for sure. So you have to know how to set this one like in the paper. Okay, now this one can be a bit complicated again, so I will go over this. No, all right, I think it's easy about here. Mason mixed 8 pounds of peanuts and 5 pounds of M&Ms. Okay, so 8 plus 5, this 13 pounds mixture sold for how much? 55.27. This 13 pound, this one is a fake. They just put that one here to confuse you. So this peanuts is X, M&M is gonna be Y. Okay, 8x plus 5y equals 55.27. A second mixture include what? 6 pounds of peanut, so 6x, and 4 pounds of M&Ms, 4y. And it was what? 42.70. So find the cost per pound of each peanut and M&Ms. So put this one into the graphing calculator and do it. So now rest of them, pause the video and try it by yourself. Okay, let's see. Okay, question number 9, you can do it by yourself, so do it by yourself. Question number 10, I think, okay, let me do this. A collection of nickels, so nickel stands for N and dime stands for D, worth $9.45. If number of dimes is doubled, the value is $16.65. Find the number of each coins. This is pretty common. So do we know how much nickels we have and how many dimes we have? We don't know. But nickel worth what? 5 cents, right? In math, we put 0.05 for the 5 cent. Dime is a 10 cent. So 0.10 D equals $9.45. And question says, if you double number of dimes, so do you see this dime? You're gonna double it. If you double it, so first one is gonna be same, but you're gonna double this, which means 20. This one becomes 16.65. So find the number of each coins. So you're gonna put this one into calculator. Obviously, you're not gonna use N and the D. You're gonna use X and Y. So you're gonna find number of nickels, number of dimes. Okay. Just when you're putting this one into the graphing calculator, make sure to use X and then Y. Okay. Last one. Joseph has 2 saving accounts, total 90,000. So he has 2 saving accounts. Okay. He withdrew 10% from one. 10% is 0.1, by the way, and 60% from the other, which is 0.6. We do not know what those account is, but this one is gonna be X, the other one is gonna be Y. To buy his girlfriend an engagement ring. Why do I put N here? If the ring costs $2,175, $2,175, Find the remaining balance in each account. So we don't know how much money he has in each account, but we know in account X plus account Y, he had $9,000. To propose to his girlfriend, he pulled 10% from his first account and 60% from his second account, and that was $2,175. So if you put this into calculator, you're gonna find X value and Y value. Right, that's it. I hope this homework was is a bit easy, and if you have any question, make sure to let me know. All right, bye guys.